Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So, what we got going on today is a drink called the Left Hand. What I've learned in making all these videos is a lot of these drinks are very similar, or they change the spirit, but keep a lot of the same other mixing elements, right? So, the Left Hand is kind of a mix between a Negroni and a Belvedere, which I've done previously in another video. I don't think I've done Negroni yet, which is a very popular drink, and I should probably do that. But anywho, this is a bourbon drink that has some Campari and some sweet vermouth and some bitters. So, first we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of a bourbon. I have yet to open this. My neighbors gave me this, Elijah Craig, for being such a nice guy to him. So I appreciate him. Anywho, I'm going to go 1.5 ounces of bourbon. We're going to go 3/4 ounce of our Campari. Just use the ounce size. Just 3/4. Same for our sweet vermouth. We're going to go 3/4 of an ounce. And last, we're going to go 4 dashes of a chocolate bitter. Just 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3. I said 3 dashes, I'm sorry, of chocolate bitter. Not 4. Give this a good stir. Next, we're going to strain it into our Coupe glass. And there you have it. A left hand that you can drink with your right hand. You know what? Let's drink it left-handed. Which has nothing to do with anything, but whatever. Anywho. A lot of flavors. The chocolate comes through. The vermouth comes through. I don't taste a lot of the bourbon in it, but I seem like I taste everything else except the bourbon. And again, maybe it's the bourbon I'm using, but it's not a bad drink at all. And I can see myself making more of these. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.